Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to create custom banners and buttons for your Google sites in 2026. Yeah, so you can really make your site stand out. First, log into your Google account and open Google Sites. You can start a new site or pick an existing one, whatever works for you. Now, to add a banner, click on the header section. You'll see options for banner type, image, and color. Click Change Image to upload your own banner or choose from Google's gallery. Once your banner is uploaded, you can adjust the layout, header type, and text style. This really helps your site feel more personal and on brand. Next, let's add buttons. Click the Insert menu on the right, then select Button. You can type the button text and add a link. You can also adjust the color, shape, and alignment so it matches your banner. And that's it. Just like that, you can create custom banners and buttons for your Google sites to make it look more professional and unique. Don't forget to preview and publish your site once you're happy with it. Yeah, super easy.